Well, okay, hello again everybody. I'm going to do the coasters. Where is my tray for that? This is the piece on the table I just did. Just dump everything off the tray. I wasn't prepared. And I'm going to do some coasters now with the leftover resin. On the live that I just did this on, I'm going to show you do a list of the colors, and I'll do it on this video too, so you can see what colors I used. This is just a quick video, just to show you how I get messy with the resin and make some coasters. I pick it up off the table, I pick it up out of the cups, out of the leaky bag. You gotta go watch the live if you haven't yet. The replay of it to see why the resin is in a bag. Okay, so let me put you right here. Okay, clean off my gloves, grab some coasters. Sorry I'm off camera. Oh, these boxes are heavy. I dug out all the rest of my coasters today. I don't have enough already. You know what? I haven't done any of these. I call them ornament ones. I haven't done any of these for a while, so I think I'm going to do these guys. These I got at Home Depot. They were sold in a sheet. They're not as cheap as the regular round, or not the round, the square. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get me some resin off the table. It gives a little bit of a background to it, see, and gives you a layer that your other resin can go across. And now, see, I stick my fingers in there, I get it all over my glove, and I just smear it. That way I know I got a layer of resin on there. Oh, look at that mermaid one. I like that. Okay, now, since this bag decided to leak all over the place, I'm going to pick up the mermaid there. And I'm going to pick up some more of the mermaid. And I'm going to put some of the mermaid down. This is going to be my base coat on these two, and those two are going to be this mixture of everything that dripped off the, well, I did tilt it, so that's where some of it came from. And I see a dry spot. Okay, and I don't want to contaminate these with those colors, so you wipe your finger off, and then you start finger painting this all over the place. Oh, these are going to be pretty. Now, you can't do a whole lot of manipulating really on the coasters. I mean, basically, I usually do a design and then I put some gold accents on there. I don't do anything fancy. Okay. Let me get rid of these air bubbles real quick. Whoops, too high. Whoops, off. Just want to go over them real quick and pop the air bubbles. Okay, now, where's my black? I wanted to put some black over here. See, I'm not really doing any design. I'm just putting the stuff on there. I hear you, phone. They know that I do the live, or after the live, when the live is shut off. So, okay. I got a lot of this. Which one is this? This one is the mermaid. No, Aquamarine. I got a lot of this left. See, what I like about these is you can do different designs before, you know, that you can't do on a square coaster. Okay, let me get a little bit of purple on here. A little bit of purple on here. A little bit of purple on here. See, you can just go crazy with your colors. You don't have to put them down in any certain way. Okay. I'm getting to the bottom of this cup, so let me see what I can scrape out. Okay. Now this is my fuchsia. Got quite a bit of this left too. And I'm just going to go across the whole thing on these two. I think I'll do it on these two also. There's no rhyme or reason for my design. It's just what I feel like doing at the time, you know. It just, whatever strikes me. Okay, let me get some heat on these. Let's see what happens when I blow them around, okay? Oh, that one's working pretty good. Hope I'm not blocking you too bad with the heat gun. Sorry I'm not talking, I'm concentrating, trying to get something out of these. Okay, now I just want to do a little bit of gold. And the reason I'm using a thicker one is because you get more resin on it, so you don't run out while you're doing your lines. Which that was an idea from Tammy Anderson, and I thank her for that, because that makes it where you can almost just go around every area you want to with your gold and not run out. And all I'm doing is just kind of basically following the lines and shapes of the other colors. Okay, let's blow this out and call it done. I got a little bit of resin left, but I might have a cavity or two open in one of my shot glass molds. That's where I stick the last of my resin at. I'm not trying to blow these completely out. I'm just trying to blow them to where they spread out just a little bit. Now that one I blew a little bit too much, but that's okay. See, I'm getting the cells with the black. I like that. And there we go. And let's do some blowing over here. And you know what? I call these done. So anyway, as I said in the live earlier, I got a giveaway. You're going to be able to enter, I'm not sure how many times per day, but I know you're going to get to enter it at least once every day. And the drawing is going to take place on March 16th. There's going to be 2 winners, and you're going to get your choice of some of these paintings over here behind me. Some of them aren't done yet, but if you pick that one, I'll finish off the back. Anyway, so I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate all your support. I love all my subscribers, which is why I'm doing a giveaway at 200. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down. Any questions, leave them down in the comments section. I love the resin right out of you guys. Thanks for watching the second episode of After the Live. If you didn't watch the live, it's up. Go back and watch it. And until next time, bye-bye.